Hello everyone, I am Anjali and today we are going to talk about Python tokens. So tokens are the smallest unit in a Python code which allows the interpreter to understand each instruction, and all the statements are created by the combination of these tokens. Python comes with 5 major tokens like keyword, identifiers, literals, delimiters, operators, etc. Let's talk about each of them one by one. First comes the keyword. Keywords are the reserved words with a specific meaning, means they have a specific duty to be performed by them. Python comes with 35 reserved keywords, means as they have a specific purpose to perform, they cannot be used as the name of the variables. Next comes the identifier. Identifier are the names assigned by the programmers to variables, means they have a certain name to the variables, function, classes, modules, and other objects, and those names are called identifiers. There are rules to create a variable name. You can check that video from the card. Next comes the literal. Literals are the constant values which are directly stated in the code. And these constants have different type which we call data types. And you can check that video too. Please make sure that your basics are clear, and hence I am creating a playlist on Python. You can check that too. Next comes the delimiters. Delimiters are the special symbols meant to separate statements or code parts, such as curly braces, square braces, colons, comma, has, etc. And the last one is the operators. Operators are the symbols that specify the operations to be performed on the operands, such as plus, minus, divide, multiplication, add, or, and, etc. We are going to discuss about operators in the separate video deeply. Now let's see with an example and sum up whole about the Python tokens. I'm taking a small example where I'm taking a variable as a and adding two numbers. So here a is the variable name which we call as the identifiers, equals to, and the plus symbol are the operators. Equals to is the assignment operator and the plus is the arithmetic operator, and 10, 2 and 10, 2 are the literals. Here, when we created the program and run it, the tokenization process takes place. In this process of tokenization, it divides the program into smaller parts. When we run the program, the interpreter identifies these tokens and divide the program according to the token used. This was all about Python tokens. Hope you enjoyed the lecture and have some knowledge about Python tokens from my video. Till the next video, keep supporting, hit a like, drop a heart in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe.